In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your free 14-day Teachable trial account. So to get started, click on the link below this video, and that should take you to a page that looks something like this. You might see a slightly different image here. I know they like to change it so that every time you come to the site, you see something a little bit different, but you should see a page that looks something like this. Next, you're going to enter your email here and then click Get Started. Next, you're going to fill out your name. Your email address should already be in here, and then you're going to choose a password for your account. You'll also want to click the box to agree to the terms of use and the privacy policy, and you can read these things if you would like to, but these are pretty standard terms that every single website has. This basically just means that you agree that you're not going to use Teachable for any kind of illegal purpose, and then their privacy policy just is something that they're required to have by law to let you know what they do and do not do with your personal information. So go ahead and click the box, then click Create Account. Here you can enter a name for your school, and this is not the same thing as your course name, because you can have as many courses or digital products and services as you want inside of your online school once we set it up. So this is basically just the name of your website or online school. So I'm going to go ahead and call mine Create with Crystal, and then click Next. And you can change this name at any time. So if you're not really sure, don't worry about it for right now. I'm going to show you how you can change it later. Next, you'll be asked to fill out a quick survey. This just helps Teachable understand more about its users so that they can continue to create new features that will be most useful to you. So I'm going to fill this out really quick. All right, now at this point, you should see the back end of your new Teachable school. And you will see this message here at the top asking you to verify your email address. You will want to go into your email account and click the confirmation button on the email that they sent you, just to officially finish setting up your Teachable account. But for now, this is what your new Teachable school backend looks like. In the next section, I'll take you on a quick tour of the back end of your new Teachable site.